किसी महापुरुष ने कहा है कि कामयाब होने के लिए नहीं, काबिल होने के लिए पढ़ो। सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, एक्सेलेंस एक्सेलेंस का पीछा करो। सक्सेस झक मार के तुम्हारे पीछे आएगी।
किस महापुरुष ने कहा है? बाबा रणछोड़दास।
When I first saw this movie, my baby brain didn't understand the gravity of these words. But now, years later, these words have engraved in my mind and have changed the way I live my life. And I'll tell you how. We somewhere and at some point in our life have met people who make even the smallest thing look beautiful. Not because they are rich, not because they are talented, but because they care. They fold their clothes properly, they reply to messages with kindly, they wash their coffee mugs instead of leaving it in the sink for later. They don't do things perfectly, they just do them properly. They say, whatever you do, do it with excellence. Not perfection, excellence. And once I understood it, I started seeing this advice everywhere. I've always been someone who waited for the important moments, the big exam, the big project, the interview. Those moments felt like they deserved my best. Everything else, I was just surviving. I leave dishes for tomorrow, rush through simple tasks, tell myself it doesn't matter. But here's what I slowly realized that those small moments matters a lot. Making your bed, cooking breakfast, writing one page, calling your parents, watering your plant, cleaning your room. If we only give our best to the big moments, we'll spend most of our lives living carelessly. There's a quote that says, how you do anything is how you do everything. Those small habits does not suddenly appear when there is some big moment. These small habits are something that you practice over and over again. I see my mother putting efforts into everything she does, not because she is obligated, but because she cares. She loves gardening and she puts so much effort into her plants. She treats them like her own children and she would take care of the even smallest details. But she always tells me one thing, that jo bhi karo, अच्छे से karo, even when nobody is watching. There's something psychologists call behavioral consistency. It simply means the small things we repeat become part of our identity. If I constantly tell myself, it's okay, this is good enough, then that good enough will become my standard. Not just for cleaning, not just for studying, but for life. And the opposite is true too. Every time you choose to do something with care, even if nobody is seeing it, you are teaching your brain, this is who I am. One of my favorite examples come from the movie The Karate Kid. Poor Daniel just wanted to learn karate. Instead, his teacher made him wax cars, paint fences, sand the floors, and honestly, I would have quit on day 2. But every small moment matters. Without realizing it, he was training discipline, precision, patience. The lesson wasn't about cleaning, it's about becoming the kind of a person who pays attention. And I think that's what excellence really is, not showing off, paying attention, doing ordinary things with care. I even notice this with YouTube. Sometimes nobody watches a video, sometimes it get fewer views than I hope. Old me would have thought, why even spend hours editing? But now, because that's the kind of a creator I want to be, even if 10 people watches or 10 million, that doesn't matter to me. What matters is that I put effort into my videos, what I'm saying, how I'm editing, and everything. And once I'm satisfied with all of that, the later part, the outcome, is not something that I care about as much as I used to before. Because I realized that, views come and go, but your standards stay with you. The funny thing is, people often confuse excellence with perfection. They are completely different. Perfection says if it's not flawless, don't even try. But excellence says just give today's best. That's it. Today's best. Not tomorrow's, not someone else's, yours. Today's. There's another idea from philosophy that I really love. The Stoics believe that we cannot control outcome, only our actions. You can't control whether people like your work. whether your boss notices, whether your video goes viral, whether you get the job, but you can control how much care you put into what you do. And honestly, that's strangely peaceful because suddenly success isn't something other people decide. Success becomes like I showed up and I did my best. That's it. I think that's why this advice has stayed with me because it isn't really about success, it's about self respect. Imagine you're cooking for yourself. Would you throw food onto the plate because nobody's watching? Probably not. Well, hopefully not. Imagine writing notes for your exam. Nobody may ever see them again, but writing them neatly tells your brain, my work deserves care. Imagine making your bed before leaving. Nobody gives you an award, but you start your day with one small promise you already kept. Those little promises adds up. I've also realized that people trust those who cares, not because they are perfect, because consistency feels safe. You know that one friend who always remember your birthdays, that one teacher who always come prepared, that one cafe that always somehow make your coffee right every single time. It's not magic, it's excellence, done quietly again and again and again. So now whenever I started thinking that, it's just a small thing, I stop myself. And I'm not trying to say that to just care or give a about everything in your life, but just those small moments that in the future would make a big difference in my life. Life is built from small things. You know how there is a saying, boond boond se ghada bharta hai. Maybe excellence isn't about becoming extraordinary. Maybe it's about refusing to treat ordinary moments as unimportant. Because one day, those ordinary moments become your life. So, whether you're studying, making breakfast, editing a video, cleaning your room, or simply talking to another person, do it with excellence. Not because someone is watching, not because you will be rewarded, but because every small action is a vote for the person you are becoming. And that is the best advice I've ever received. What is the best advice you have ever received? Let me know. I would love to hear about it. Stay safe, stay thoughtful.